Hello.
Hello, how are you doing today?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. So this is our first time having a conversation?
No, this is my, I think, third time. Yeah.
But with me, it's the first time.
Oh, that's great.
No, with me, it's the first time.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
you, yeah. It's my first time.
Okay, all right. So my name is Jenny, and I'm from England in the UK. I live in the south, okay? And where are you from?
I'm from India.
Okay, very nice. And your name is Arfan?
Irfan. Yeah, Irfan.
Irfan. Okay,
Yeah.
good. What part of India are you from?
I'm from north part of India.
The north part of India.
So,
Okay, good.
actually, right now I'm trying to speak like you, okay? Because British accent is too, chilled one.
Okay, yeah. It's different. The British and the American, you have different sounds and accents.
Yeah.
Okay. And
I'm
so,
fine. Okay, I'm trying to speak. If I'm getting wrong, please tell me. Okay.
okay, if you're making mistakes, I will tell you, no problem. So tell me a little bit about yourself. What do you do for a living?
Okay. I am a student. I have graduated now.
Lovely. When did you
Yeah.
graduate?
Last month.
Exciting.
Yeah. So yeah, but, I'm interested in cricket. Yeah, you know cricket, maybe. Yeah.
Of course,
You
yes.
you have a very good team. Indian. No, England cricket is very nice.
It's Indian cricket as well. Got really good
Yeah.
team.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you play or do you just watch?
No, I play. I am going to become a professional bowler.
Wow. Okay, lovely. Do you
Yeah.
play for like a team? Like, do you have championships?
No, I'm playing. Yeah, and I'm trying to go for like Indian team. I'm trying for that. Yeah.
Okay, nice. That's good. How long have you been playing?
This is my third year. Yeah.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Do you have a coach? Someone to help you?
Yeah. I have coach.
Okay, good. And what did you major in?
What?
What did you major in?
Okay. I'm in bowling. You said
Okay,
bowling.
yeah.
Bowling.
Okay. No, at university. What did you major in?
Okay. Computer science. It's very hard
Oh,
to understand you because you are so different.
I'm sorry. In England, here in the south, we speak a bit faster than regular
Yeah.
people.
Faster
Okay.
and very different. Yeah.
All right. So you majored in computer science and you're going to be a cricket player. Very
Yeah.
different things.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And do you like computer science?
Yeah, I liked it too much. Yeah. But now I'm graduated. I'm going to pursue my passion now.
Okay. So you're not
Yeah.
going to go straight into working?
No.
Okay, all right. And what's the cricket life? Like, how often do you have to train? How many hours per day?
Actually, right now I'm in home. So day after tomorrow, I'm leaving from here, from north part of India to south, and there is
Okay.
an academy. So I will train there for 1 year, and I think I have to train 7 day a week, means every day, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, so it's very intense.
Yeah.
Okay, right. And obviously, when you're playing or practicing, do you speak English as well, like with the coach, with the other players?
Yeah, if because in India there are a lot of different languages. So if we want to interact with them, we need to speak English. Yeah.
Okay. What language do you speak? Do you speak Hindi?
I speak 4 5 languages.
Okay, wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
All right.
But all of them are Indian. Only one is like English there.
Okay. And
Yeah.
these languages that you speak within India, are they quite similar or they're very different from each other?
No, they are different.
Okay. So you have to study to be able to learn it.
Yeah, because I'm moving to the different states of India, so I need to learn their native language.
Okay, I see.
Mhm.
Exciting. How do you feel about like going to just, play cricket, play sports?
I'm very much interested because I like sports. So I want to do some intense works. So that's why I want to go in cricket.
Okay, okay. And in the future, do you think you're going to like be playing for like a professional team? Maybe go to different countries, play against?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Do you have like a specific cricket player that you really, really enjoy?
Yeah, I like a lot of players. Uh,
Okay.
mhm. From India, from England, Ben Stokes. You know Ben Stokes?
Right. Manstalk.
Yeah, Ben Stokes. I think you don't watch it. Oh,
Ben
Ben
Stokes.
Stokes.
No, I haven't.
Ben Stokes.
Ben Stokes. Okay. No, I haven't. I don't watch cricket very much. I'm more into like football, a few different sports, but I know that cricket's really popular.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Nice. And have you ever been to like a championship to watch cricket?
No.
You've never watched cricket live?
No.
Okay. Okay. You should do that. I'm sure you're going to like it.
I'm going to play by myself. I don't want to watch others.
Okay, that's a good attitude.
Yeah.
All right. And are you going to go alone?
No. What did you say? Can you repeat it again?
Yeah, you said after tomorrow you're going to go to the south, right?
Yeah.
Are you going alone or are you going with
Yeah.
someone else?
Yes. I'm going along.
Okay. All right. Is it like what other things do you think you're going to do there in the south?
What did you say?
What things do you think you're going to do in the south? Like obviously you're going to
Okay.
play cricket and you're going to be practicing a lot, but what other things? Like where you're going to live? Which people are you going to be socializing with?
Okay. I am going to stay with that state's people. Actually, that place name is mm, Karnataka, Bangalore.
Okay. Is that like a city?
Yeah, that's a huge city. There are a lot of IT companies there.
Okay.
Okay, I cannot see your video.
Am I back?
No, no.
It might be the internet connection. Don't know if it's on my side or yours.
Okay. I guess I need to connect it again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.